AgriEyes products are synonymous with style and functionality. Our popular designs seamlessly blend into any vehicle driving environment. Discover the cutting-edge features that set AgriEyes products apart. Designed to revolutionize signal lights practices, our products enhance practical and convenient.
I'm going to do a little bit more of a lighter kind of day test. It is overcast on this
Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our valued customers. Understand why AgriEyes products are their first choice.
Sweeping back and forth, and then people see your car, they can't get to it, it's out of the weather, you know it is weatherproof. It's definitely noticeable. It's not as noticeable as normal hazards, and it is OD, so it's definitely noticeable.
You don't have to run down your car battery. And this thing is supposed to last 8 hours like this. Definitely a benefit.
See our products in action as they deliver exceptional performance. From precision lighting to advanced signaling, our products make a measurable difference. Experience the power of innovation with AgriEyes. Choose excellence. Choose AgriEyes, the worldwide signal lights tech leading factory.